Hello, and as promised, we are live at Forcht Bank, the main branch here in Somerset. I'm Amy Stroud, and Martin Cranfill. How are you?
I am doing great.
Now, you are going to show everybody how to use this on-demand banking here at Forcht Bank. That's what you all are talking about today. You want people to come by for a demonstration, so show us how it's done.
Absolutely. We've opened our express drive-through right here across the street from Somerset, Maine, right behind AutoZone. Really easy technology. You're always going to talk to a live teller between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Monday through Saturday. All you have to do, as the screen says, is touch the screen right here. It's going to put you in a queue, and you are going to talk to one of our live on-demand tellers.
A human being. A human being.
That's exactly right. So we've got Allison this morning.
Hi, Allison.
Allison
Hello.
can walk us through kind of how this unit works and how we can do everything that you can do in a drive-through with a live person in a drive-through tube system right here 7 to 7 Monday through Saturday.
Okay, Allison.
Absolutely. Well, this is our new on-demand system. As you said, we're now open 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Saturday. And we are absolutely thrilled to be in Somerset this week. And we are so excited to be launching there with y'all and getting to meet a bunch of new customers there. So kind of how the system works, I can do anything that a teller inside the branch can do for you. We can do deposits, withdrawals, payments, anything like that. And we can even cash a check down to the coin amount there for y'all as well. Kind of how it works here is if we need to do a deposit, anything like that, where we're looking up your account, you can actually type in either the last four of a social or an account number for me. And then if you were putting anything into the system, it would actually go in that slot that's opening up there to your left. It has that green blinking light above it. And then if we were sending any cash or anything out to you, we may ask to see your ID. So that would actually go on the ID scanner there that is lighting up green there for you to the left. Any cash or anything like that would actually dispense out there to your right. I just don't have a way of activating that for y'all today. So that would come out there. I will let you guys know that if you ever wanted to have any sort of a confidential conversation or have some trouble hearing me, we do have the chat option that allows us to chat with you back and forth. It also has some presets there, so you can click I'd like a statement, I'd like to cash a check, anything like that if you just have some trouble hearing us. And then I will let y'all know as well that you never have to remember how to use our system. We can actually walk you through it each time and show you how to do everything. And we're absolutely thrilled to be here and super excited to start helping y'all out today.
And you can actually see us, Allison. You can see the customers as they come
Yes,
through.
I can see you guys. I can see you in real time. It's kind of like a little bit of a FaceTime action there, so I can see y'all, and I sure hope you can see me this morning as well.
It's actually pretty nice. This camera right here it's about a 160-degree camera. So not only can she see us, but if you're sitting here at this screen, she could see somebody walk up behind you. If you had somebody walk up behind you, there's a lot of security
all the way down the drive-through there as well.
Yeah, there's a lot of security and privacy associated with this. Again, we're 7 to 7 Monday through Saturday, so it's really cool stuff. You can do anything that a teller can do inside right here at our express drive-through.
It's on demand, fast, easy, simple, and a person.
That's exactly right. Personal service.
Yep.
Thanks, Martin. Thank you, Allison. You've been very helpful. And you say...
Thank you so much. Y'all have a great weekend.
You too.
Thank you, Allison.
And she says y'all. That's great.
That's exactly right.
Thanks, Martin.
Thank you.